Putting together a successful learning experience for special needs populations requires very purposeful planning, but there are simple strategies that go a long way.
First, the environment needs to be comfortable. Try to have an enclosed space with limited distractions, comfortable seating, and arrange the participants in a semicircle to set up engagement.
Balance between structure and flexibility is essential. The workshops are very carefully structured, but we also need to follow the lead of the participant when necessary.
At times we need to follow the lead of the student, and that is where student-led learning comes in. Here you see that Nathan is totally engaged in the trumpet during the entire Hello song.
Let's clap a new rhythm, and here is the rhythm. Listen. Can you try that, Nathan?
I don't want to stop the song because it's an important part of the workshop structure, but because I see that Nathan's interest in the trumpet is so positive and shows such motivation, I follow that through and give him time to play the trumpet, even though that's not necessarily what I had planned next.
Nathan, would you like to play the trumpet? I think you would. Avec la main droite. Comme ça. Okay, vas-y. Good. Une grande respiration et encore une fois. Wow, c'est fantastique! Bravo!
The trick is to allow some space for flexibility, but still keep the essence of the structure intact. Modeling, or learning by imitation, should always be the first instructional strategy used. One can then move to more supportive strategies if the participant isn't able to complete the task. Here you see me move through a few different levels of modeling with Samantha. I start with just showing her how to buzz her lips, but when she wasn't quite getting that, I had her look at my lips to really focus on what was happening so that she could try to replicate that herself.
Just that, just the buzz. Beautiful. You did it!
You did it, son.
You did it!
If modeling or verbal prompts aren't quite doing the trick, you can move on to hand over hand support. This is putting your hand on theirs to help guide the participant to complete a task. Perhaps this is taking some of their independence away, but at times it is the help they need in order to accomplish the goal. Here you see me helping Samantha with the French horn after modeling and verbal prompts weren't enough support.
Other way, turn it over this way. Good girl. And you're putting the mouthpiece into the lead pipe